Hey everyone, welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Nia and this channel is dedicated to inspiring the everyday busy mom. So if you enjoy cleaning, organization, and lifestyle videos, stick around by subscribing and clicking the bell notification. Today's video is going to be an all-day clean with me. So a little bit of dishes, laundry, and a whole bunch of tidying up. We had just gotten back into town after going on vacation, and our flight was delayed 2 hours. So we were stuck in the airport, and by the time we got in, it was late, and we literally just threw our bags anywhere so we can go to sleep. So today I really wanted to focus on getting my home back in order. It was so nice to get away and recharge for a bit. I always get nervous prior to traveling, especially with a toddler, because you really never know how they're going to be on an airplane. And I always fear that she's going to be crying or cranky and just make the whole entire experience pretty bad, I guess, if you want to say. But she is such a trooper. So far, she's been absolutely amazing. On planes, there are definitely certain things that we do to kind of make the whole situation a bit more comfortable for her. So if you guys would like to see a video on some of my travel tips and tricks when it comes to babies and toddlers, leave me a comment down below. Also, when I get back, I always feel like I need a couple of days to get back into the swing of things. It's almost like you need a vacation from your vacation.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
So I just got finished watching Power by the time I'm editing this, and oh my God, I cannot believe how the season is starting off. This is definitely going to be an interesting season. I'm not going to spoil it for anybody who hasn't seen it, but if you guys watch Power, please let me know your thoughts on the season premiere, because we definitely need to talk.
You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. for more egos in this wicked game. It's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, then let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't say that. Ain't gonna leave ya. Sabotage, you're a million. Explode every time you go and slam the door. Adore how we always end up on the floor. We know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, then let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't.
So now that Riley's getting older, I really want to start doing more activities with her. And now that the fall season is coming, I'm really excited to take her apple picking or take her to a pumpkin patch so she can pick out a cute pumpkin and we can decorate it and all that stuff. I know prior to being a mom, I always wanted to do like fun, crafty little things with my kid because they're such a great way to bond with her. So let me know what you guys are planning on doing for the fall season with your kids.
If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, then let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't say that. Ain't gonna leave ya. Sabotage, you're a million.
So now I am unpacking my suitcase so I can throw in a load of laundry, and you guys are going to see me basically rip open a couple of plastic bags because when I travel, I like to put my dirty clothes in a bag so it doesn't touch my clean clothes. I don't know if that's like weird or anything like that, but it's just something I like to do.
The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take